Welcome back, you beautiful people. Today we are at 438 Arora in Winchester Meadows in beautiful Winchester, Ontario. We have a new subdivision here, 2021 build. You know, before I get any further, please feel free to like, subscribe, and share this. You'll be the first to find out about all our listings, to see all our cool videos, and then share them with your friends. Sean's not here today. I'm doing my best Sean Tasse impersonation, so you really feel like he is here without him being here. 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, semi-detached bungalow, custom home with all kinds of custom finishes, and they really show inside. And an unfinished basement with a roughed-in bathroom just waiting for your personal touches. You know what? I'm gonna stop talking about it. Let's go on inside and have a look. Whew, sure is nice to get out of that cold. And this is a great front foyer for it. Not only am I feeling the heat of the home, I'm also feeling the heat of the sun coming in this great front door. And that invites me into this tiled area here with the mudroom and laundry area, which has like inside access to the attached garage. Now, as I come into the house, I'm greeted first here by the first bedroom and the second bedroom just behind you there as well. And they're both served by this beautiful full bathroom here that really serves the whole area. The kitchen is where I am now, and it is a great spot for everything you want to do. You are super well connected to the rest of the home, and while in the kitchen, I can't help but notice how great the finishings are. We have quartz counters, we have stainless steel appliances, we have beautiful white cabinetry all over the place. You have plenty of space for everything you need, and we also have a nice deep double undermount sink. And this great island here is the epicenter of the whole thing when you're cooking and hosting, and that leads seamlessly with this beautiful hardwood floor back towards the dining room. So imagine here with all this open floor plan, you have the kitchen, you have the dining area, and that opens up to the beautiful living area. You have all these windows in the back of the home and no rear neighbors. You can see for miles before you see anything else. And you know what I really like here? Sometimes with the open concept homes, the actual space for each area ends up being smaller, but not this one. You would have walls up here and it would still, each room would still be super large. So you have plenty of space here in this custom home. The theme of natural light continues into the primary retreat, and so does the beautiful hardwood floor. You know what I really like about this is this huge window, and we have no rear neighbors and no immediate neighbors right here too. So you have a nice view out of your primary, which isn't typical or common. Now, as if this space isn't great enough, we also have the rest of the retreat with a walk-in closet and a beautiful ensuite. Now, the stairs to the basement are just off that main living space. So if you wanted to finish this basement down here, you could open up the wall that the stairs are and have the two spaces feel really connected. And this basement is an easy finish job. We are already insulated on the exterior walls. We have a rough-in for a bathroom, and we have all kinds of space down here with really big windows, which means more great natural light. Now, rounding out this beautiful home is the exterior, and it is really important because here we have an end unit home with no side neighbors and no rear neighbors. Look at that view out there. You have your own quiet little space here, and it really finishes off this home perfectly despite how cold it is. I really like this backyard. So if you want to see this house and you're looking for a private showing or any other house right now, please feel free to give us a call. The number is 1-888-REAL-585, and until then, keep it real, collective.